This is our first time participating in Jeepapalooza, an event where 4x4 enthusiasts from all over the province get to come together and enjoy 2 epic trail days, and get an opportunity to connect with like-minded wheelers. When we learned that the entire event was a fundraiser for the BC Cancer Foundation, we knew we had to get involved. As the Comox Valley source for all things Jeep and 4x4, and this being our first year involved, we wanted to build an epic Wrangler for the event. Introducing the Punisher. First, we took a 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys edition, and we added a 3-inch BDS lift kit with Fox shocks. The 3-inch lift system is specially designed to take off-road capability to the next level. It also allows clearance for up to 37-inch tires, so we put on 37s. In this case, we went with the General Grabber mud terrain, and these tires are massive. The tires sit on fuel Syndicate offset wheels, which give the Wrangler that aggressive wide stance. We went with a matte black finish on the rims. As you can see, we have a bit of a theme going with the matte black. Which takes us to the wrap. We wanted to replicate the same matte black as the Willys badge for these mud splatter elements on either side of the body. It was important that they were angled towards the back of the vehicle to emulate real mud splatters, which Jeeps everywhere wear with a badge of honor. The bright white logos add incredible contrast to all the black elements. We could not be happier with how this wrap turned out. Last but certainly not least, we were looking for something to make the Punisher stand out during the evening portions of the event. So we added Oracle LED underbody lights. The underglow truly feels like the cherry on top of this build, or should I say the bottom. Jeepapalooza 2023 is gearing up to be one of their most successful fundraisers to date. In 2022, they raised over $25,000 for the BC Cancer Foundation. So keep an eye out for the Punisher, and we'll see you on the trails at Jeepapalooza 2023.